With Fictiv, it's never been easier to order custom manufactured parts that meet your precise requirements. To get started, simply upload a 3D CAD file. You can upload as many as 35 files into a single quote all at once. You can also upload a 2D drawing to call out critical dimensions or other key requirements. Next, select your manufacturing configurations, including your desired process, material, and finish. Instantly, you'll see pricing and lead time for your part. You can adjust production speed and quantity to immediately see how this impacts your price. For intricate parts, you may need to submit your quote for review by a Fictiv team member before you receive final pricing. To quickly specify threaded hole dimensions, use the Auto Thread Detection tool. You can also add quality services to your quote, such as advanced inspection reports and material certifications. Finally, review any manufacturability feedback for your designs. You can chat with our team if you have any questions. When your quote is ready to go, you can share it with your team for approvals and purchasing, or check out yourself with a credit card or purchase order. Before you know it, you'll have quality parts in hand faster than you imagined.